Alright guys, my GPU hunt game is finally over, and thank goodness, because I only had one life left. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Michael. Super glad to have you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So guys, I finally scored a GPU for the Megatron build. AMD 6800 XT. It's the one that I originally wanted, the one that I was shooting for. I thought I was going to have to end up settling for an NVIDIA 3080 series, but I didn't have to. So in a previous video of mine, I did state that on AMD's direct website, they seem to have these periodic drops between 9 a.m. to noon Eastern Standard Time. So the other day, just out of the blue, I decided to hit the F5 key. This showed up available. I was able to add it to the cart and check out. What I did notice though is from as soon as I hit the F5 key, there was about a 15-second interval between when the product was available until the Discord channels got it. Thank God I was able to get far along enough in the checkout process that the website didn't crash and get flooded. So guys, it was just pure luck. That's all I could really say. So if you're one of those people out there that are still grinding away, I wish you the best of luck. Hopefully, you know, some good fortune comes your way and you're able to snag one. I did hear that AMD is supposed to be releasing a ton of inventory into the market, flooding the market with CPUs and GPUs. I don't know if that's true. There's so many different rumors going on. Anywhere from, you know, stock's coming in 2 weeks, stock won't come in 2 months, or NVIDIA is about to release a ton of stock as well. So if you're in the grind and you're playing the GPU hunt game, good luck to you. I'm finally glad my hunt for the GPU is over because I ended up getting carpal tunnel in this hand, carpal tunnel in this hand from hitting the F5 key so many times. No, but I mean, really, it's such a grind. I still haven't been able to secure a CPU. I do want one of AMD Series 5000. The 5000 series, excuse me, whether it's going to be the 5950X or the 5900. At this point, I'll take either one. I think the 5950X is overkill for what I need. Probably the 5900X is overkill as well. They're both going to be future-proof CPUs, so I guess whatever comes readily available first is probably the one that I'll buy. So, but keep checking AMD's direct website in the morning if you have time. Maybe you'll get lucky like me and hit the F5 key, and you know, and it will show up and you'll be able to buy one. So let's go ahead and take a look at this GPU. It's super sexy. I love it. I think AMD did a fantastic job. So let's roll some B-roll and take a closer look. Alright guys, I think AMD did absolutely fantastic with this card. I absolutely love the triple fan design. I think it looks very elegant, very sleek. I like the red accents right here on the outside of the card. It does take two 8-pin PCI connectors. It's very, very heavy. It's a lot heavier than I thought, but I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I kind of feel bad about taking the cooler off because it looks so nice and water cooling it. Because they just did an excellent job, even with the box and the packaging, just to try to, you know, market their product. They did a great job here. It does have this foam pad that comes inside the box to protect it. So great job all around on AMD's part, aside from the paper launch and the inventory issues. But I think it's going to be a fantastic card. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to make a video when I break it down. Matter of fact, Gamers Nexus did an amazing video of the breakdown of this card. I am going to post a link in the description below. If anybody out there has this card and it's going to be your first time water cooling it, you know how Gamers Nexus likes to rip everything apart. He always does an excellent job. So definitely check that video out. And again, it will be in the link in the description below. So hopefully guys, like I said earlier, if you're in the grind, keep grinding away. Hopefully, you know, your luck's going to turn around, and you know, you could score one of these before Christmas or the holidays. I do believe, you know, if not January, February, I do believe that they'll be more readily available. That's unless the bots come back and they keep buying them all left and right and keep the prices high. Let's cross our fingers that doesn't happen. And let's cross our fingers that next week AMD does release all this inventory that you're talking about, and hopefully I can get my hands on a CPU. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I post down in the comments below and let me know what you guys think of the card, the looks, everything. If you guys were able to get one, if the Discord channels have been able to help you out like they've been able to help me out. So, and until the next one, guys, as always, stay safe, stay healthy. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.